When teaching young children, I'm often asked about some concerns parents have regarding letter reversals. For example, I'm going to show you the number 2 here, and this is how we write it. But sometimes children, when they're very young and their brains are still developing, they will write their numbers and their letters reversed, and they'll do the same thing with their B's, and they'll do the same thing with their D's. Now, normally they will be able to grow out of this. Sometimes there are other reasons why they may not, and that's worth having a conversation with myself or with the GP if it happens for an extended period of time or if you're concerned. But one of the things that we can do to speed this process up is we can either get a salt tray, or we can use sand, or we can use rice. Once you've got that, what you can do, and I'm going to show you, for example, the number 2, what you would normally do to start your child off is draw the number 2 in the sand for them. You would then ask your child to trace over it and say 2. They need to be saying it as they write it. 2, 2, 2. Once you've done this about half a dozen times, very quickly move over to a whiteboard or to a piece of paper and get them to then write it 2, and make sure they say it and write it at the same time. 2, 2, 2. I would not extend this activity past a couple of minutes or even up to 5 minutes. Just if you were going on the longer side of things, you would expect to see results within a couple of sessions. Certainly you would expect to see results within a month.